Students and viewers, Assalamualaikum. Today I will solve two questions from exercise 2.2, 7 and 8. The questions are very important, so you have to be very attentive and sincere and practice again and again at home. Now I am solving question number 7. Musanna bought a Bengali essay book from book stall at Taka 84, but the cover price of the book was Taka 120. Cover price was Taka 120 and he bought at Taka 84. How much commission in percentage has he obtained? How much commission in percentage has he obtained? You have to find out commission in percentage because he got commission. Real price was 120 but he bought only Taka 84, so he got some commission. Solution: Musanna bought the book at Taka 84, but the cover price of the book was Taka 120. Cover price, real price was 120. So he has obtained commission equal to Taka 120 minus 84 because the price was 120 but he bought 84, so he got some commission. So commission equal to 120 minus 84 equal to Taka 36. If we calculate, then it will be Taka 36. He got commission. But we have to find out commission in percentage. He got total commission 36. He got total commission 36. But in percentage, what will be commission? Again, he has obtained commission in percentage. In percentage, that means out of 100 Taka. Out of 100 Taka, he got how much commission? Again, he has obtained commission in percentage. In percentage means out of 100 Taka, how much Taka he has got as commission out of 100 Taka, equal to total commission 36 and total price, total commission 36 divided by total price 120 Taka, because out of 120 Taka he got commission 36. But we have to find out in percentage. So percentage, so multiplied by 100 by 100, 100 by 100. If we get commission, we have to calculate in this way, 100 by 100. So 120 divided by 20, we get 6. 100 divided by 20, we get 5. And then 6 divided by 6, 1. 36 divided by 6, we get 6. So result will be 6 into 5, 30 divided by 100. This 100 we should convert into percentage. So out of 100 he got 30 equal to 30%. Out of 100 he got commission as 30 Taka. That means 30% and it will be answer. And it is called 30%. Now solving question number 8, exercise 2.2. Now solving question number 8, exercise 2.2. The monthly income of a service holder is Taka 15,000. Is Taka 15,000. His monthly expenditure is Taka 9,000. Monthly expenditure is Taka 9,000. What is the percentage of expenditure to the income? What is the percentage of expenditure to the income? You have to find out the percentage. You have to find out the percentage of expenditure to the income. Total income and total expenditure. What is the percentage of his income? You have to find out the percentage of expenditure according to his income. According to his income. Solution: his monthly income equal to taka 15,000 and his monthly expenditure equal to taka 9,000. So the expenditure to the income, according to income, the expenditure to the income in percentage equal to expenditure 9,000 divided by total income 15,000 into 100 by 100 into 100 by 100. For calculating percentage, you have to multiply by 100 by 100. So if we calculate 15,000 divided by 100,000 divided by 1000, we get 15. 15,000 divided by 1000, we get 15. 9,000 divided by 1000 divided by 1000, we get 9. Again 15 divided by 3, we get 5, and 9 divided by 3, we get 3. Again 5 divided by 5, we get 1, and 100 divided by 5, we get 20. Now 3 into 20, we get 60 divided by 100. So we get 60 divided by 100 equal to 60%. This 100 will be as percent, equal to we get 60%, and this will be answer. The percentage of his expenditure to the income 60%. Total income, out of total income, his expenditure spent is 60%. His expenditure means spent kharoj 60%. It will be 60% of his total income. Total income 15,000. His expenditure 60%. That means 9,000, and it will be answer.